My class. You very happy, yeah? You don't need to stand. See you something. Okay. Okay. Okay, so don't worry, yeah. Okay, so let me get to part two. We are going back to part two for today. We are differentiating exponential function. But if you look at exponential function, I cannot prove to you lah. But if you look at the tangent is basically also climbing exponentially. That's why the derivative of EX is EX. Or if I taught this already, you see I teach already. Whose 2.1 is empty? 2.1 is empty. Okay, so maybe I go through a bit. So the derivative of an exponential function is also exponential. Is that okay? Can This is the only function in the world you differentiate, you get back yourself. Okay, because EX is so supreme. Even if you differentiate EX, you're still going to get back EX. Okay, so now, okay with this, right? So now I will tell you the second one, e power fx. What about e power fx? Okay, so you see, when you differentiate e to the power of fx, you look at layer 1. That's the first layer. There is a second layer. The second layer is green color. And you see 2 layers. E power blank is 1 layer. Fx is 1 layer. So the first layer, right, when you differentiate, layer 1, e power blank, if you differentiate this, you will get e power blank. Okay? Layer 2, pay attention. If you differentiate the fx, what do I get? I get f prime. I just get f prime. No big deal, right? So I just get f prime. So e power blank or blank, okay. So that's why if I multiply them together, this will just give me f prime x power fx. Okay? Can? Then, yeah, see some other writing, so I pause a while. No one writing there, I don't say. Okay, so that explains formula number 2. So I go through question 2.1 to explain formula number 3. A power x ln a. Okay, how to sell you this formula is possible. Let me just do it over again. Now we know that by right, you all know a is the same as a to the a is the same as e to the power of log a. Remember I went through this? Can anyone give me puzzle looks then? Okay, so after that, if I differentiate, can I say that a power x is the same as e power ln a power x? Can I? So can I say this is like e power x ln a, x ln a? And I would like to ask you all to see this like a linear expression, like 2x, 3x, ln ax. If I differentiate 2x, what do I get? Differentiate 2x, what do I get? 2. Differentiate 3x, what do I get? Differentiate ln ax, what do I get? So if I see this as f prime, you can see if I see this as fx, this as e, right? Then you can see what am I going to get? Supposedly f prime e fx, or by formula number 1. So that's why this is f prime is just x power x ln a. Okay, earlier on we know that this is a power x, right? So this is just a power x. Sorry, not x, sorry, ln a, yeah. This is my f prime. Okay, so you can see this as ax ln a. This is question 2.1. Once again, e power fx, if I differentiate, this is e power fx f prime. Okay, and e power fx here, we know that it's just a. Okay, this is the proof for question 2.1. Now with that, you can try 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. So far, okay? Okay. So I hope based on this one, I managed to sell you formula number 2. Now from 2, I want to go, so this is formula 1, formula 2, formula 3, formula 4. Now formula 4 again is just also chain 2. Right? If I want to differentiate A power fx, what do I get? Formula number 4. So you can see again, A power fx, A power fx. You can see that there are one layer, two layers, right? Differentiating the first layer, differentiate first layer. Whenever I differentiate A power blank is A power blank ln A. When I differentiate fx is f prime. Okay, this is layer 1, layer 2. So basically, if I take layer 1 times layer 2, this is just f prime x, A power blank ln A, which is fx lah, whatever is here. Okay, so I'm just applying chain rule. Chain rule. This is formula number 4. Are you listening? I'll only go through once, okay? After that, you can watch the video. Okay? Because this is very dry. Yeah, I can go through until I want to sleep also. Okay. Yeah. That's right. That's right. How come? So because okay, so now this is the, remember you let y equals to, what do you want to say? I forgot already. E to the power log A. Okay? Log both sides. Log both sides. Log y equals to log E log A. Log E is just 1, right? Log y equals to log A. Y equals to, so you can see y equals to A, right? So I go to A. Oh. And so now you go to question, try to complete up to 2.5. Okay, I will write down the answer very soon on the board. Nothing is impossible. With Javier, everything is possible. Hey, Javier, you finish your quiz already, huh? Question 2.2. Where am I? A. Question 2.3. Question 2.5. Hey, what part 3? What? No. Lisa, what part 3? Go to 3.4, okay? Yeah. Huh? Yes, yes. You can see anywhere you like today. Yeah. Hey, where's your notes? Still never bring. How many times you never bring this year already? Huh? What happened? You left your notes at Arista, is it? Can you remember to bring tomorrow? Can I? Okay, Wednesday. Wednesday you never bring. If Wednesday you never bring, what's the punishment? No, you will buy drinks for the whole class. Okay? Okay. At the canteen, canteen. Not too expensive. $1.30 mango juice. Everyone, you all hear Megan? What did Megan, what did you say? If Megan never bring the notes on Wednesday, if Megan never bring the notes on Wednesday,
I'll buy the entire class drinks.
okay, drinks up. Not water cooler. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, yeah. 2.3. 2.3 is a very fun question. Okay, let's go to that. 2.3. Okay. 1 second. 1 second. For the purpose of recording, for those who are not here, I'll be talking a lot. So please ignore me if it doesn't apply to you. Okay? So first, I'll be talking about 2.3. 2.3 is now is this question, I think it bothers a lot of people, but it's really all right. Okay, so first, what will we do? We will differentiate. So y dy dx, right, will be half. Differentiating e power x will be e power x. Differentiating e power minus x will be negative e to the power of negative x. Looking at this structure, which is 1 plus dy dx squared, 1 plus, is it okay? Is it okay? Because this is e power minus x. Think of this like fx. If differentiate minus x is? No, differentiate minus x. Yes. Anyway, H1 math also got differentiation. I'll put there. Okay. You go to uni, if you ever do finance, banking, economics, engineering, computer science, everything will have calculus. Okay, everything will have differentiation integration. Okay, can if you do medicine will have similar triangles. You all know, right? Medicine will have similar triangles. How you look at the X-ray? The person's body inside, right? Right. This is the X-ray. How do I calculate how much of the person I'm scanning? Similar triangle. This is the body I'm scanning. I'm scanning this to yeah. We do medicine also, you need to know math. Okay. So I differentiate dy dx square, right? Shh. Quiet. Stop talking, old man. Today I call you old man for 1 week. Okay. So this is e power x minus e power negative x squared. Okay. What do I have? 1 plus 1/4. This is a minus b bracket square, which is the same as a square minus 2ab plus e square, which is the same as a e power 2x minus 2 plus e power minus 2x. If I try to expand, I'll get 1/4 minus 2 plus half is like, it's like plus half, right? No? No? Okay, let me give you another idea. It's recording. Okay, let's put, luckily I never scroll backward. So this is the same as 4 plus e2x minus 2 plus e minus 2x. What is 4 minus 2? 2, right? So it's the same as e power 2x plus 2 plus e power minus 2x. Now here comes the hint that I gave many of you, right? Which is the same as a. This is a squared. This is 2ab. This is b squared. Okay? Those who got watch Taiwanese game show, okay. So this is a square 2a e plus e squared. Okay, huh? Can, huh? Okay, very good. No one is paying attention to me. Okay, so anyway, 1/4 ex plus e minus x squared. This is the same as e half or e power x plus e power negative x over 2 squared. So if I try to square root, this is the same as y, the square root of y squared, which is just 1. Okay, questions? Yes. How is a constant? You can leave it outside. Can, hey, good. Ophelia. Asta, why you doing this? Why you doing this yourself? Don't like that. Don't be so sad. I know you never bring notes. Okay, Because the question started with 1 plus y squared. The question started with this. Yeah, so I want to show this to you. But I never write because life very tough like that. Okay, yes. Are you listening? Or you literally turn your chair over, never even face me. Okay. So disrespect. Okay, question 2.2. Is it okay? Not okay. Okay. 2.3. You never pay attention while I go through. Don't expect me to repeat for you, please. Okay, it's not fair. Huh? You were not even listening. You were talking all the way. Bias, face the front. Face the front. Face the front. You shouldn't bully an old man. Huh? Treat with respect. Okay. Okay. I'll let y'all sink in a while. Is it okay? No. Y'all must do yourself. Don't just copy. Shall I go on? Area is at 2.5, 2.24, 2.4. Okay, so now next I go through 2.4. 2.4, you will see that there is a gradient function there that calls for the use of product rule. Okay, you will see that there's a need for product rule. There's x and there's e power x minus 3. Okay, so differentiation, part 1, what is dy dx? Differentiate, if this is my u, so you see if u equals to x, u prime is 1. If b equals to e power x minus 3, b prime is just e power x minus 3. Okay, so then with that, u prime multiplied by b plus b prime multiplied by u. This gives me e to the power of x minus 3. Bias, can you face the front? Yeah, turn around, turn around. Turn around. Can So this is part 1. Done. Part 2, where does it cross the x-axis? The word cross the x-axis, what does it trigger for you? What the x-axis means y equals 0. So, so you know that Javier knows that y equals to 0. What can he get from that? X-axis, right? Sub y equals to 0 into y. So y equals to this, right? How do I solve this equation? Guys, exponential function, can he ever be 0? No, right? So this means that there's only one possibility, which is x equals to 0, which is perfect. We are talking about the origin. Okay, we are talking about the origins. Okay, after that, I sub x equals to 0 into dy dx, which is e power 0 minus 3, 1 plus 0. What's that going to give me? E power minus 3, right? Which is just 1 over e 3. If I want to think positive terms. Okay? Shh, Javier. Find the equation at tangent x equals to 2. Okay, at x equals to 2. So at x equals to 2, this is part 3. At x equals to 2, what is my gradient again? Same thing, sub again. E to the power of 2 minus 3. 1 plus e, which is the same as 3 over e. Okay? At x equals to 2, what is y? Sum in again. 2 e 2 minus 3, which is 2 over e. E. Y minus y1 equals to gradient x minus x1. I now sub in y minus y1. Gradient is 3 over e. X minus x1. X minus x1. X1 is 2. Okay? Simplify this. You should be able to get y equals to 3 over x minus 4 over e. Is that okay? Can? This is for part 3. 2 and 3 over e. 2 and 2 over e. 2 over e. 答案是少的吧，所以你可以 get 好 ，OK 啊，可以啦。So next, anyone need to copy? Okay, so I pause a while. So don't worry if you are copying. I will stop. Go to the official Facebook page. Chloe and Isabel, just give me a while. I will go through 2.5 very soon. Oh, is your father very happy? The St. Bruce? He must be happy. I watched the YouTube video. That was the underdog. Very good, man. Okay. Last week only, April 1st. Very exciting. I watched they were trading, they were losing, I think 14-0. 14 2 tries and 1 2 conversions. Then I used to play last time. I play in Samsung last time. I play a very long time. Okay, I go on. Joshua, you see here. See here. See here, you see here. See here. You all three all sit together. All you all sit together too much, all your results are almost the same. You go and figure out it's a good or bad thing. Okay. Okay, okay. Huh? Okay, so you see it's a good thing. Good for you. Okay, then let's go on. Question 2.5. Question 2.5. I'm still copying, is it? No. Are you still copying? Can, Megan? Studies have shown you write on hard copy is faster than writing on iPad. Yeah, look at you writing on iPad. Yeah. High tech becomes low tech. Okay. Look at Ophelia already at the last page of the dictionary. Okay. So let's look at Ophelia. No, let's look at the question 2.5. Okay. Let's do this one. Okay. Tangent parallel to x-axis. So I look at this, right? Okay. Slowly, slowly. Okay. First, let me tell you. Okay. This is the first. This is the second. Okay. Can U is e power sine x. And U prime is cosine x e power sine x. V is cos x. V prime is negative sine. Okay? Okay. Then I product rule. So what is dy dx? Bias. Next time you see here. Every boy walk past, you wave. Every girl walk past, you wave. So this is U Sorry, 1 second. Yeah, so you have e power sine x multiplied by b prime plus cosine x multiplied by u prime. Okay, what do you get? Factorizing everybody e sine x out is just cos square x minus sine x. Okay, can I? After that, you want to have the tangent parallel to x-axis. What does it mean? It means that you want your parallel to x-axis means what's the gradient? Ariel, what's the gradient of parallel to x-axis? Yeah. You want that is equal to 0. Equate this to 0. Can exponential function ever be 0? Is anyone even paying attention now? No one paying attention. Xavier talking to Dorcas. Pius is waving to girls outside. Ethan To is having dementia. Ophelia is talking to Megan. Dorcas is playing with her hair. Sitong is looking at me. Okay. Only Chloe is paying attention. Chloe, best student in class. Later I can tell about that. Okay, so cosine square and Isabel is also paying close attention. Okay, can I? How do I solve this? Make what the same? Sine. What make the variable the same. Okay. Okay. Can I? Very good. Now you all know what to do already. Can I solve this? Cannot. What do I do? What? It's quadratic, right? You think of those okay. What is that? This is a quadratic formula. Yeah. Quadrant A, like a plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay. No. Next year you can. Now cannot. Not for secondary school. Not for IP. Older you can. Okay. So what do you have? You have sine x equals to okay, or -1 negative 5 over 2. This one I reject because out of range is bigger than, is smaller than -1. Okay. So from here, then I solve. What's the acronym for solving trigo equation? So same thing. I want to ask Javier to what's the acronym for solving trigo equation? What's the acronym? PIE. That's the acronym. AYE acronym. Bukit Timah also got AJE, always jam expressway. Yeah, what's the steps? 4 steps. Anyone can tell? It's the old man, can tell me? EQRA. See? Chinese got a phrase, 姜还是老的辣. Okay. So alpha B, what do I understand the question? What does B stand for? Javier, what does Q stand for? R? Rabbit, range. A, don't say anything. Don't look at him. A? Answer? Yes, very good. You are paying attention. Okay, so this is 0.66624. Do not round off to 67. Okay, just 6. So Q sign is positive, right? X in which quadrant? Quadrant 1 or quadrant 2. Okay, therefore range X is between 0 to 2 pi. Answer. First quadrant, X should be 0.66624. Second quadrant, X should be 2.4754, I believe. Okay. This is, I think, pi minus 0.66624. Okay. So you should have 0.66624. The y coordinate should be 1.46. If your x coordinate is 2.4754, y coordinate should be -4.46. Okay. This is question 2.5. You need to be here by Wednesday. Okay, so far? Can I? Wednesday, may I go through practice set 1 and 2 for topic 4? As per the SOW, can I? I just go through, but I haven't go through. Everyone, Evie go through already. Have you go through already? I think I've given haven't I written you back? I haven't written you back. Okay, I just bring just know that I'll be going through your Wednesday. Okay? Okay, that's all. Thank you, class. Thank you, class. Yes. Huh? Okay.